this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and today's Nerf Gun Review, or Nerf Blaster Review, along maybe our first impressions, because this has currently not been touched, not yet at least. This is going to be a review and first impressions on the Warden DB-8 from the Elite 2.0 line. If you're wondering what that background noise is, I'm 3D printing something, so just ignore that for now. It kind of reminds me of the rough cut 2x4, 2x4 or whatever. It's a similar design, it just looks pretty much the same, honestly. Has a tactical rail on the top, looks like a sling attachment point here. Tactical rail, like I said, here. Oh, and another one here for the sling point. It looks pretty decent. Okay, that's a little uncomfortable, but okay. So, when I pull the trigger, the thing that you're supposed to prime it with goes back as well. That doesn't seem very convincing already. Well, let's get this started. So, sorry for being a little postponed on all these Nerf Blaster reviews. I've had this blaster in its form, in this packaged form for about at least a few months, so I have a bit of catching up to do. Alright. And here's the blaster. It feels pretty good. That is still bothering me though, that like I'm pulling the trigger. It just, I don't like that. Alright, put this here for now. Let's see, it comes with 16 darts, and looks like 8 of each color. So 8 of the blue and orange, and then 8 of the orange and blue. Nothing else? Okay. And it looks like it's pretty simple and self-explanatory. You throw 8 of these darts of whatever color preference you like into the front of this barrel. 4 on one side, 4 on the other side. See if I can get through this packaging yet again. And honestly, I thought I wanted to give the Elite 2.0 line a try at least, because I heard other people, other people on Amazon, other people on other various YouTube channels. They say like the 2.0 line is pretty much garbage, but I want to see how much am I going to regret buying this blaster? So, I mean, everything's going good so far. I still don't like the fact that you pull the trigger, this thing slides back, and that's a little unconvincing, or a little scary, honestly. You see, I can't get over it. It's so weird. A blaster shouldn't be able to do that. Anyway. Alright, so I can't test ranges. I could probably do my personal test of the wall bounce back test, and pretty much what that means is I stand, I would say, like either most of the distance away between where I am with the camera and to a nearby wall across from me. The idea is I do a leveled shot, and if I do a level or angled shot, I should say, either level or angled, especially leveled, if I do a leveled shot and it hits the wall and bounces back and it hits somewhere in front of me, it's like, okay, that's pretty good, but it didn't come close enough to me or past me. If it's like right next to me, like either left or right side, yeah, that's pretty good firepower. If it bounces off the wall and goes past me, or hits me like as if I wasn't there and it could have gone past me, that's tremendous firepower. I don't know, it's just a little thing I came up with. So, I mean, it feels pretty good. It's very uncomfortable. I know this is meant for kids, but the priming handle could be a little bit bigger. The trigger feels nice. I still don't like, I keep saying this over and over, I don't like how this moves whenever I pull the trigger. The handle's pretty comfortable. Can I do a blaster spin? Oh, very easily. Alright. Very cool. Alright, now for the part we've all been waiting for. Let's see how bad this is. Oh. Lesson learned. Don't print something in the middle of a Nerf blaster review. Alright. So that was pretty cool, but I might need to do another shot. Alright. Let's see. Let's see. Leveled shot. Wow. Okay. So, here, I'm going to give it a little bit of a... I'm already starting to regret this blaster. Not in the printer while it's printing! Ah, alright, so... this blaster, I mean, it's cool. I wish I could... I wonder if this could be modifiable, but... I don't know if this would even be recommended to be modified. I don't know. This is just... It's a... The blaster itself, it's cool. I like it. It's pretty lightweight. Compared to the rough cut, as far as weight and the... Actually, the rough cut was a lot better than this one, honestly. I mean, this is supposed to be their Elite 2.0 line, but I'm not really convinced by their performance. This is actually something I do want to test. Is if it has the smart dart technology where it knows where the darts are. So I'll purposely space them out like this, so it has to figure out which one it is. As a better note, I'm going to try and see if I can open up a door and risk my print. I don't know if you guys, you guys will probably not be able to see how far this goes. But my honest comparison, you know this is a short hallway. Let's see. Alright, so it could easily go past 50s. It's the best, I don't know. Yeah, so from where I'm standing to the end of the hallway towards the outside, and then it could go like, I don't know, an extra 10, 20 feet. This can go easily 60 feet leveled. And now for the other part of my test, does this blaster in fact have some sort of smart dart technology and knows where the darts are in what spot? They do. That's pretty... I would say that's pretty useful. Honestly, I mean, this blaster, if you could modify it and have the potential to modify this blaster, this would be pretty cool. I would probably figure out a way to get maybe a stronger spring in there, but aside from that, I don't know. As far as modifying the smart dart technology, I would probably leave it in, honestly. But honestly, this is an okay blaster. It has potential if modified. Like I said, I don't like that. I really do not like the fact that you pull the trigger and the slide goes with it. It annoys me sometimes, or a lot actually. But the handle's comfortable. The trigger's nice and clicky. It's not sticky at all. It's not stuck in any way. The priming feels pretty natural, and yeah, honestly, I could probably use this as a backup blaster, but as far as using it as a primary, probably not. I probably would not use this as a primary, more of a, like a, I don't know, holster secondary, or, I don't know. It's a good blaster. I had doubts at the beginning when I saw this, but honestly, I like this blaster kinda. I don't know. This is hard to decide, really. You can kind of see the internals inside. You know, I think, based on what I saw and performed for today, I'll probably give this 1 out of 10, from scale 1 to 10, 10 being really good, One being I want to return it and get my money back. It's definitely not a 1. It has some good performance. It has the smart dart technology. And it comes with quite a bit of ammo for the Warden. So, for the Warden DB-8, I think I am probably going to go with, oh god, probably like, I don't know, 7? 7.5 out of 10. It's pretty good. Oh, my print's done. 7.5 out of 10 for the Warden DB-8. Yeah, wow. Oh, DB-8, yeah. Yeah, Warden DB-8. So for the Warden Elite 2.0 Blaster, I give this 7.5 out of 10. It's decent. It'll get the job done. But I don't know if I really want to experiment with the other 2.0 blasters. I've looked them up on Amazon. They look convincing, but they look like, I don't know, reskins of old blasters with just 1 or 2 additional cosmetic features. But honestly, the one was pretty. I was paranoid. I was a little skeptical about this blaster at first. I don't know. I kind of like it now. So yeah, 7.5 out of 10 for the Warden DB-8 blaster. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Thanks so much.